Hello folks, welcome to another episode of gameplay here on Airsoft Ninja's channel. Now, fun fact about me is that everywhere I go to play Airsoft, I love to use my sword up against other people who have a melee weapon. And this time I went to Firefight at Fort Ord, hosted by Airsoft GI, and there I met Bob the Axeman. Now, many of you know Bob the Axeman is no stranger to Airsoft, obviously, but most notably his melee skill with his axe. Me personally, I love melee combat in a gunfight. Whether you're actually having a duel one-on-one outside of the Airsoft battlefield, or you're actually in the Airsoft battlefield fighting against each other while meeting head-on. And with that, it is my honor to challenge Bob the Axeman to a duel. I will be using my foam katana, and he will be using his Nerf axe. Let's get this duel on the show.
Good job, man.
Ninja.
I gotta do it really quick. Oh, duel. Sweet. Yeah.
Sir.
Okay, so.
Ninja versus
your rules.
Bob from GI.
Your rules. Go ahead.
Airsoft GI.
Saber fencing rules. Essentially, just to begin, we're gonna bring the blade up.
Mm-hmm.
And then once we bring it down, it's on. So
yes, sir.
Anywhere, like leg, foot, arm, head, chest, counts as a kill.
Okay.
Out of 3, and then we feel like doing 1 for honor, we can do that.
Sure. Anywhere on the body.
Body, head, feet. Yeah.
Understood.
All right.
I just want it where if I see someone from here to the crest, I can get them, and it's like 1, 2, 3. I don't want this long.
Score 1 for Ninja.
Sorry.
Got me on the wrist first.
Okay.
Man, you really got me done on that. Okay.
Right here, Bob actually got me on my camera, and at the time it looked like he got my head, which have made him won this whole duel, but I'm not going to count that because he actually hit my camera and therefore making it a tie. If you want to make it him win,
Okay.
Bob wins, totally fine with that. Bob's an excellent fighter, I have no problem losing to him.
Light up the eyes!
I think we got each other on that one. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh, no, you don't. I'm the best camera filmer. No, just kidding.
You got me.
That was really good.
Oh, good job, man. Thank you.
Very well done.
All right.
That was the best one I've had in a while. America.
Hoorah. You guys still filming?
That was awesome. All right, thanks again, Bob.
Hey, dude, thank you guys. That was really fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming out. Please, safe drive, okay?
Yeah.
I must thank Bob the Axeman and Daniel from Airsoft GI. They're such excellent sportsmen and such nice people. It's because people like that make airsofting so much more fun. And of course my team, Team Black Knights, that I was able to have so much fun with them here at Fort Ord. I will give you the footage of the actual gameplay at the field very soon, so stay tuned. Airsoft Ninja signing out.